Hi everyone, my name is Yomal Senarath and I am here to explain quicksort, merge sort and difference between them. For quicksort, this is our example. In the quicksort, we need to take one element as a pivot, so we can place smallest value than our pivot from the left side and largest value than pivot for the right side. So I'm choosing 5 as our pivot, and we need to bring our pivot for the last item in the array. So uh, for now, to separate largest and smallest value, we came from the left side to find the largest value. From here, 10 is the larger than 5, so we take 10 as the largest value, and for the smallest value we started from the right side, and 1 is the smallest value than our pivot. So now we swap these two elements and write it down. Now we do that same process, and we can find the biggest value from the right side is 11, and there is no smaller value from the left side. So we swap our pivot and the largest value, and now we know the right position from the 5. So we divide two separate arrays from here, and we write it down. From the again we do the same process for these two separated arrays. Now I first choose a pivot from this array, from the left side array, and I chose 2 as our pivot, and we again write it down. From the right side we can find the 4 is the largest value, and from the left side we can find 1 is the smallest than our pivot. So we swap this value, and we again do that process for this. So 4 is the largest value and there is no smallest value, so we do the same process for the right side array, and I choose pivot as 10. And we can find the biggest value as 11, and from the right side. From the left side there is no smallest value. We start from the left side for the for finding the biggest value than our pivot, and we can find 11. And from the right side there is no smallest value, so we can swap this, and so we can find the right person for this element. And we again divide like when we did this here, this array, and so from the right side we can easily find the right person for this element, and we do this the same process. And we started here with the largest value as 9. So there is no smallest value, so we swap these two elements. Now at the end we can sort the main array using the quick sort. Merge sort, we need to divide main array into two separate arrays from exactly the middle point. For the finding the middle point from the array, we can use add the first index number and last index number, and divide those two by 2. So we can find the exact middle point of the array. Now we divide main array into two separate arrays. Likewise, we again do divide these two arrays. Likewise, we do the same process until every element becomes an array. And now we merge these two arrays, and we need to find the lowest element and largest element, and merge these two arrays into one array. Likewise, we do the same process for each single arrays. And we merge these two arrays and find the smallest value and the largest value. and we do same process, and we finally we can get the sorted array. Sorry. Now let's see the similarities and difference between these two arrays. The similarity is both sorting algorithms are following the concept that called as divide and conquer. The divide and conquer concept means to solve the main problem, we separate into smaller problems and finding the solution of the main problem by solving those small problems. And the difference between these two sort algorithms, in the merge algorithm we need to divide exactly the same middle, exactly the middle point. But in the quick sort there is no need to divide exact the same point. And the merge sort, there are we are using sub arrays because we divide this main array into until the each element becomes an array. So there are sub arrays. In the quick sort, there are no need to divide into sub arrays. And we in the merge sort we use merge to find the to sort the main array, we use the merge concept. But in the quick sort there is no need to merge because it's just in the quick sort it's just an rearranging. And finally these are the difference and similarities between the merge sort and quick sort. So thank you.